Hey guys, let's make the most popular stew in Ghana, and that is the okra stew. Alright, so I'm using okra, stockfish, smoked fish, onions, roast chicken, smoked turkey, cow feet, cow skin, smoked fish and shrimp powder, pepper, homemade spices, salt, roasted, diced tomatoes, palm oil or Zomi. So to begin with this, I go ahead and add onions to my chicken, add the stockfish, homemade spices, salt, cow skin or willy, and let this steam for a few minutes without adding water. Stir, make sure all the spices are incorporated. Cover and cook again for a few minutes. You then go ahead and add water and let it cook. At this point, I know it's cooked, and so I set it aside and start the stew. Into a pan, I add palm oil or Zomi, and I add the salted fish, which is Kobe. Let it fry for a few minutes to enhance the flavor of the oil. I then added onions. Let it fry for a few minutes. Go ahead and add the diced fire roasted tomatoes. Stir and let it cook for a few more minutes. Homemade spices, shrimp and fish powder. Let this also cook for a few minutes. I added the cow skin, smoked turkey, cow feet, any other protein of your choice. You can go ahead and add at this time. Stir. Cover and let it cook. I then added the stock. More homemade spices, because this stew has to be very spicy. Smoked fish, added some smoked fish. At this point, I introduce the okra. Now, this is stew, hence the size of the okra, okay? More okra. And you want to make sure you're stirring till it's all mixed together. And then you want to add your water bit by bit. That is the only way to be sure you're not adding too much water. Okay, don't just pour. You add the water bit by bit. I added a little more palm oil because I wanted this stew to be very rich. It's not soup. At this point, my stew is coming together. You see how the okra is visible? That is how you make stew. And it's not too running. It's the right amount of thickness. And to end it all, I added fresh onions. Now, if you want to know if your okra is cooked, just pick one small one, press it, and when it's soft, you know your okra is cooked. And like I said, you don't want to overcook it because it's stew. I introduced a few pieces of habanero pepper, let it simmer for a few minutes. On a low heat, and voila, my okra stew is ready. Guys, you can't go wrong with this dish. Thank you so much for watching the video to the end. Make sure you subscribe, give this video a like, share, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye.